In this session, we will demonstrate how to register a new account on TSYS Developers so that you can begin working with our APIs. To request API access, users must be a TSYS client and have a TSYS Developers account. Please note that TSYS Developers is for issuer banks only. This is not a merchant API portal. To create an account, we select the Create an Account link. This can be found here and here. To register and access TSYS Developers, we have a three-step process for new clients. If you're a client that's already using TSYS Developers portal, you can skip step 1 and head straight to step 2 by acquiring your registration key from your client administrator. To start, you must request a registration key by filling out the fields in the first step. Once we've filled out these fields, we then select I'm not a robot. And we can then press Submit. After pressing Submit, the user will then receive a confirmation email to start the registration process. After completing step 1, a TSYS Developers support team member will reach out to confirm the purpose of inquiry. If the user desires to create an account that utilizes all functions in TSYS Developers portal prior to submitting a project for integration, then the client will need to establish a client administrator to support TSYS with the needed information. This will be things such as client ID, name, and whitelisting information. Along with these tasks, the client administrator will need to be set up to handle registration and API keys. Once you have your registration key, proceed to step 2. Client developers should contact their client administrator to request their registration key. The registration key is unique to each client and allows users to register under their company's umbrella. This will allow developers to create an account immediately. After we're into the registration key, we can then fill out the required fields and our account will be created. After selecting Create an Account, we will then be notified that we will receive another email for the next step. We can then move on to step 3 and use our credentials to sign in. Once we've signed in, we will be able to see our profile information in the top right corner. For any additional information, please access our support page. Here, you can find FAQs, and for any additional questions, you can contact us.